Hi there, my name is Elizabeth Fogel, and I will be presenting today on an action plan that I have created to improve workplace relationships at the Tom Taylor Family YMCA. Thank you for watching. Having authentic and positive relationships between employees and employers is something that can drastically influence workplace efficiency and success. And this is why implementing this strategic plan is essential for the success of the Tom Taylor Family YMCA. The Tom Taylor YMCA is a family gym that serves over 19,000 community members, so there is no doubt that this organization naturally attracts members from the community. However, it is our job to uphold the standards and expectations that community members have when they join our organization. Company culture is something that affects not only employees but also customers, which are the members here. The members at the YMCA are drastically affected by the company culture, whether it is positive or negative, and they deserve a positive company culture. Implementing my action plan to improve workplace relationships will help this organization achieve a better company culture and therefore will be able to improve the experience for members. Improving workplace relationships will be accomplished by hosting listening workshops, promoting positive talk, and setting a positive attitude. Listening workshops will be a chance for employees and leaders to both attend to learn some listening skills, listen to understand rather than to respond, and will help improve people skills and to become more personable with others. Promoting positive talk is something that I believe stems from the leader, but is also the responsibility of everybody. This is something that includes gossiping, for example. So if a leader initiates or participates in gossip, this will allow employees to think that gossiping is permissible, and they will probably also begin to gossip. Leaders must set a standard that gossiping is not permissible. Promoting positive talk is something that can be difficult to catch, especially if employees work without supervision. So leaders must keep a sharp eye and ear on these things and nip it in the bud if it does happen. Setting a positive attitude. This is similar to promoting positive talk. Leaders must set the positive tone for their employees. For example, leaders must be excited about a change in implementation. If employees see that the leaders are excited and motivated, employees will have an easier time being excited as well. Similarly, if a leader complained about a certain change implementation, employees would be less inclined to adapt to this change. Besides providing a better experience for our members, improving workplace relationships will also increase mutual respect between leaders and employees, trust, mindfulness, and communication. This is why it is essential for the Tom Taylor YMCA to improve these relationships. The first one, increasing mutual respect, is something that will increase communication. If employees feel comfortable approaching their leaders with honest feedback, they will be more likely to give their leader more information. If managers want to gain this trust, they must be transparent and honest. Likewise, employees must be willing to approach their leaders and get out of their comfort zone. Trust is an essential aspect for organizations to succeed. For example, if leaders rely on unsupervised employees, leaders are counting on these employees to get the job done effectively. These leaders are trusting their employees. Improving mindfulness is something that will help employees and their leaders become more aware. When everybody is more aware, they will be more perceptive of others. This will improve interpersonal skills and help everybody relate to each other. Also, it can help individual employees understand their strengths and weaknesses better. Then, if leaders are aware and perceptive of each of their employees' strengths and weaknesses, leaders can place the employees in roles that will make the team more efficient. So not only does it help employees individually, but it also helps the team become more efficient. Communication is one of the largest and most important outcomes of improving workplace relationships. The other outcomes, which I just went over, increasing mutual respect, trust, and improving mindfulness are all outcomes that actually contribute to increased communication. Communication helps most areas of organizations, such as with efficiency, job satisfaction, and reducing employee turnover rates. Also, if employees are enabled to communicate up the leadership chain, they will be able to develop and become more efficient in their roles. These are just some of the examples of how an organization can be more successful with improved workplace relationships. This action plan will help the Tom Taylor YMCA not only be able to better serve their employees, but also be able to better serve their members, which is why the organization exists today. So thank you for taking the time to review this presentation, and I hope that you will consider my action plan. Thank you. Bye-bye.